Yep, another Tech vid. So, today, as you can see in the title, we're going to be making this car drift, but not permanently, and we're going to have a really tight budget. So, I've heard to make a car drift, you have to have slippery tires, of course. And I know duct tape's slippery, so let's give it a try. But before we do that, you can see the front is just sitting so low and it's hitting rocks and everything. Here, let me get it. But it's sitting way too low, and when it's on asphalt, it's just like dragging. So we're gonna take these right here. They're little spacers for the shocks. We're gonna do this. Boom. Nice. So the front is gonna be sitting a little bit higher now. So that's good. So now, let's put on the tape. But first we have to get this on. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Wow, it grew so fast. Anyway, let's put this guy right here and you in it. Perfect. Now, let's put some duct tape on it. Well, I guess that's it done. So, let's go outside. Okay, here we are outside. The reason I don't have the body on is because I don't want it to get scuffed up from the tape. But this is my first time drifting. Let's see if I can do it. I guess I kind of can. But you can see the tape has come off. So I'll call that a bit of a problem. I think it might be because I have it wound on that way, so it takes it up. Other than that, the other tires seem to be okay. This is not really a professional job. Technically, you can use duct tape to drift, but not great. I'm just not great at drifting, so. Ooh, a bit of donut action. So in a future video, we're gonna get real drift tires and kind of compare the footage of this to that. But I mean, technically it does let you slide around a bit. So let's see how easy is it to take the tape off to get the regular driving experience. I cut the video. It was just really hard to take the tape off with one hand. But once I had both of my hands, I could get most of it off. There's still a bit of this, like residue, but on most of them it came off pretty clean. But now, without the tape, you just have a regular RC car. You can see it, the residue is kind of picking up some debris. I'm not sure if you would mind. That was my video about my Traxxas Tech 2.0. Right? I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, see ya.